gonna light it up. Hang on, wait. Where's my camera?
I don't know.
Don't touch it. Not just yet.
Nope, Henry. Keep your fingers away. That's too pretty. Say, Lauren, happy birthday. Lauren, look. Lauren. Say happy birthday. How old are you? Hi, Henry. How old are you, Henry? 3? How old are you? 3. You're older than 3. Okay, Henry. No.
Here.
All right, Lauren.
Pass it right.
Here, Alex. You want to sit right here? Why don't we squeeze in right behind here?
Okay.
Here, you want to sit?
Hey, everyone, sing happy birthday. Wait, let's take a picture. Everybody, cheese, you guys. Harper, smile. What's it going to be? Smile. Should we turn it around?
You have to sit down. All right, Lauren. Careful. Watch your fingers.
Sorry.
Lauren, you want to blow out your candles? Lauren.
1, 2, 3, cheese. She's so mad at me. I'll get away from her. I don't want to run. But I don't want
Careful. Sorry, we got him.
Happy
Yeah,
birthday.
nope.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. Thank you, Harper.
Okay, Lauren, you want to sing happy birthday?
Okay, we need Sky to come. Why don't you guys come?
Skylar, can you sit by yourself?
Harper, it's okay, Harper.
It's okay, Harper. He's fine.
He's all right.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Rawr.
Lauren, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Lauren, wake up.
Can we sing?
All right, ready to sing? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lauren. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday, Lauren. Blow your cake. Go. Blow your cake.
Blow.
Blow.
Wow!
Blow your cake. There's some more. Blow.
One more.
Blow your cake.
Blow. Blow.
Get it, Lauren.
Yay! Wow. Say Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Yay. Happy birthday.
All right.
Leah, sit down.
All right. I guess we can cut this cake. Yay, Lauren.